Engineering is the language of progress. Behind every building, every system, and every innovation, there are skilled draftsmen who transform ideas into precise technical drawings. The ProQual Level 3 Diploma for Electrical and Mechanical Draftsmen is your opportunity to join this vital profession. To achieve the qualification, candidates must complete 435 guided learning hours, 7 mandatory units, each designed to build professional competence. ProQual is an awarding body recognized and approved by ProQual regulated to develop and award qualifications. Delivered by Inspire College of Technologies, an approved training center of ProQual, this program ensures the highest standards of learning and global recognition. By enrolling in this diploma, you'll unlock powerful benefits: career advancement, industry-relevant skills, hands-on training, global recognition. Graduates of this diploma can pursue careers such as electrical draftsman, mechanical draftsman, CAD technician, engineering assistant, and this qualification also provides a pathway to higher-level diplomas and degrees in engineering. Construction. For registration or more information, please visit www.inspirecollege.co.uk or www.ictcorps.co.uk. Call us on 442-035-764371 or WhatsApp us on 44744139671. Email us at info@ictcorps.co.uk.